Okay, guys, let's play Grow Garden. Yo. Hey. Hey. Bro, I can't hear you. Ga. Ga. Hey. So we're playing Grow a Garden today with my friend, Bill. We're on the private server. Just kidding. Okay, let's go. I'm also gonna give this to you, bro. I give this to you. Want a bee? Do you want a bee? It can sting you. Yay! Come on, let's go. Huda. Yan na. One. Let's do Adi. Let's do Adi. Adi, Adi. Adi. Ow. Hey. What? I'm up here, you know. Try to catch me. Come here. Come here. Up here. Whee. Wait, did he just do something? Did the doggy just do something? Did your doggy just do something? Bro? I think your doggy did something. I think it went doo-doo. Wait, I'm gonna give this gray mouse into, you know. Let's go. Let's go. Rock,
Where are you going?
bro, I can't hear you. I want, you know what? Show me the pet info. Bro, how? I can't. Do I need more?
Wow, apal lang.
Wait, let's see if I can put kiwi and dino. I can. I have a gray mouse in Dino. Let's sell this. Hey, hey, can't hear you. Can't hear you. I am the pet salesman. I want to sell my pet. I have many money. Let's do seeds. Let's go. Seeds. Seeds. What do we got? Let's see what we have. Some tomato, orange tulip, blueberry, and strawberry. Wait. Come here. My brother gave me a wasp. Yo, what does this say? Let's see. Smile, you're on camera. We're gonna put this.
Tulog ka? Ba't ka lang tulog? Sabi mo nga, diba?
Smaller on camera. Okay. Bro, yo. Yo. Hey. Hey.
Bye.
I think we should sell this. Shovel. Let's sell this. Ow. I want to sell this. Oh, we can't sell this. We can't sell. Shop.
Shabang shanaw! Shabang shanaw!
Oh yeah!
Shabang shanaw!
Ingay mo!
Shabang shanaw!
Diba?
Shabang shanaw!
No! Let's see what can we get. I want to trade honey.
Yeah, rin.
Ano?
Yung tsaka mo. Joke lang.
Kasi ikaw kasi.
Kasi kapag kita.
Oh.
Yes. Kasi tsaka rin ako, diba? Kaya tsaka ka rin. Tama?
Dito.
Tama?
Ano ba?
Tama ba ako? Kaya tsaka ka rin.
Oh.
Tsaka rin si Karen.
Hindi.
Hindi tsaka si Tiyo.
Ah.
Choco yun eh. Hindi mo tsaka yun eh.
Kahit na.
Choco yun eh. Ba't nangyari?
Okay.
Ba't nangyari? Ito rin dito. Yung ano? Ano? Agoy.
Wait. Orange tulip in the foldy. Orange tulip. I need that. Orange tulip. Orange tulip.
Inubad-ubad mo pa kasi natin mga inubad-ubad.
Nandun sa labas.
Yan o.
Yung glasses ni Kayla. Ay, yung ano ba, Lalo?
Oo!
Okay. Ano
Naigaan mo
glasses?
pala eh.
Ha?
Naigaan mo?
Hindi.
Nung hindi, di ko ka nakaiga talaga.
Okay.
Ano yung bakal?
Ito.
Saan ka bichokal mo? Saan ka bichokal mo? May voice chat ka? Ano ka nag-voice chat?
Ha?
Ano ka nagkaroon ng voice chat?
Voice chat with free. Mag-video call ka. Tapos ano?
Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Galing mo naman.
Craft time 1 hour. Kailangan ko ng the foldy.
Gondolen, ano yan?
Condolence. Condolence.
Wala ano. Pagawa mo yan. Ito niya ako ng Gondolen, ano ba? Yung kuko ko gawa rin sa karating. Pagayos na to.
Bye.
Karen, kaya na! Ayaw mo!
Sa lacrosse.
Iwag. Oo!
Okay.
Mati,
Okay.
hindi na mo ako kasha.
10 honey. 10 honey. Stuff. Dandelions.
Siyempre, maliit. Siyempre, maliit.
We need 10
Ako
honey.
na ng kahoy.
We need 10 honey.
Ano? Bigas siya dito. Yeah.
Pollinated.
Bigas dito.
Pollinate hot.
Ayusin ko.
Ooh. Okay. Pollinated celestial. Pollinated. Pollinated.
Loren, alam mo Loren?
Oh,
Tumating dito bukas.
no.
Lakad tayo?
Ayoko.
Lakad lang.
Ayoko.
Sabi ni mami. Sunduin na kita.
Ayoko.
Sunduin kita.
Ayoko.
Ba't tayo magpasundo?
Kasi magpapalibre ka na naman sa akin eh.
Hindi. May dala ako. Bukas.
Eh,
Oo nga. Yung maliwag.
tapos kukunin mo yung pera ko. Alam ko na yan. Pollinated celestial web. Tada! Wait, where is she? Oh, she's gone. It's okay. We have already do this. Dance. So. Ready? Okay. I want to try honey. I need 1 flower seed pack and 10 honey. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready! Craft. Flower seed pack. 10 honey. Okay, 20 minutes. So we're gonna skip that. So let's skip that up.